What is it about community and kindness that holds the power to transform lives? Why are these values so indispensable in our journey of life? The answer to these questions lies in the heartwarming tale of the Sethi family. Nestled in the scenic town of Chandanpur, the Sethi family was a living testament to the power of goodness and unity. Arjun Sethi, a benevolent businessman, and his wife Ananya Sethi, a committed social worker, were beacons of compassion and generosity in their community. Their home was not just a house, but a sanctuary of love and laughter where their children, Arav and Anya, blossomed into embodiments of kindness. Life in Chandanpur, however, veered off its tranquil course when the town's largest orphanage abruptly shut its doors. The sight of abandoned children stirred the Sethi family's heart. They took a decision that would change the course of their lives and the future of Chandanpur. Transforming their mansion into a temporary refuge for the children, the Sethi family opened their hearts and their home. Arav and Anya, thrilled to have new companions, welcomed the children with open arms, becoming the siblings they never had. The Sethi mansion soon became a sanctuary of joy and learning. Arjun and Ananya, driven by their philanthropic spirit, partnered with the community to build a permanent haven for the children. This led to the birth of Roshan Rahain, an orphanage that stood as a beacon of hope and love. The transformation of Chandanpur was palpable. Inspired by the Sethi family's selflessness, the entire community rallied around the cause. Businesses, community leaders, and residents all contributed to the success of Roshan Rahain, turning it into a symbol of unity and compassion. The journey of the Sethi family was a testament to the power of kindness and community. Their story, which reverberated far and wide, inspired countless others to come together for the common good. The Sethi family demonstrated how one act of kindness can spark a ripple effect, brightening the darkest corners of society with the glow of compassion. The legacy of the Sethi family serves as a timeless reminder that the true wealth of a community lies not in its material possessions, but in its spirit of unity and compassion. Their story is a testament to the transformative power of kindness and community, a beacon of hope that continues to inspire people far and wide.